In this video, I explains the concept of the system of linear equations. So here we have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If the value a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then these two lines are the intersecting lines and the system of equations is consistent and it has the unique solution when if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. And the second case, if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 which is not equals to c1 by c2, in this case the given equations are parallel lines and the system of equations is inconsistent and it has no solution. Already we know that the parallel lines has no solution. And the third case, if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, these three values are equal, then the given lines are coincident lines and the system of equations is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. Now these are the formulas. The first problem, check each of the given system of equations have no solution, unique solution or infinitely many solutions. So here we have three problems. The first problem is, here the first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 and the second equation is 3x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. Now first we find the values a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. What is a1 by a2? 2 by 3. a1 by a2, 2 by 3. See, and this is a1 by a2. And what is b1 by b2 value? 3 by minus 1, y quotient by y quotient. Therefore clearly here a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. The values are not equal. So this is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2 means the system is consistent and it has unique solution. So a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 means the system is consistent and has unique solution. Consistent and unique solution. Now coming to the second problem. So here first equation is x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 and the second equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. What is a1 by a2 value? a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 2. And what is b1 by b2? This is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means this is also equal to 1 by 2. And c1 by c2. What is c1 by c2? Minus 6 by minus 12 which is also equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. All are equal. All are equal. Therefore a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. That is, so a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That is, the lines are coincident and consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. So the system is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. And the third problem, the first equation is 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 and the second equation is 6x plus 4y minus 18 equal to 0. So what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 is equals to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And what is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 is equals to 2 by 4, y quotient by y quotient, that is 1 by 2. And what is c1 by c2? Minus 6 by minus 18, that is 1 by 3. Therefore a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore the lines are parallel, inconsistent, it has no solution. So parallel lines means it is inconsistent and it has no solution. That's all. Next problem, for what values of the following pair of equations has unique solution? So unique solution, what is the condition for unique solution? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. This is the condition. So what is a1 by a2? 2 by 3, x quotient by x quotient is not equals to b1 by b2. What is b1 by b2? P by 3, y quotient by y quotient. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So answer is p not equals to 2. Next problem, find the value of k for which the pair of equations 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 5 equal to 0 represent parallel lines. Find the value of k. The equations are parallel lines. What is the condition for parallel lines? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. That is a1 by a2, that is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is equals to b1 by b2, that is minus k by 6, is not equals to c1 by c2, that is 3 by minus 5. So first we take these two values. 2 by 4 is equals to minus k by 6, means 1 by 2 is equals to minus k by 6, then 6 is equals to minus 2k, then the value of k is equals to minus 3. This is the first answer. And next, these two values are not equal, means minus k by 6 is not equals to 3 by minus 5. Cross product 5k is not equals to 18, then k not equals to 18 by 5. Now this is another answer. Next problem, for what values of k the pair of equations 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0, 9x plus 12y plus k equal to 0 represent coincident lines. Coincident lines, what is the condition for coincident lines? Is equals to a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. That is a1 by a2, 3 by 9 is equals to b1 by b2, 4 by 12 is equals to c1 by c2, 2 by k, which means 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by k. That is 2 by k is equals to 1 by 3. Taking the cross product, then k is equal to 6. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, for what positive values of p the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? So infinitely many solutions means what is the condition? Coincident lines. The condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Now applying the condition, a1 by a2, p by 12 is equals to b1 by b2, 3 by p is equals to c1 by c2, minus of p minus 3 by minus 3. Now we equate first two values, that is p by 12 is equals to 3 by p. Taking cross product, p square is equal to 36, then p is equals to plus or minus 6 root 36. But what is the given question for what positive values of p? So we take the only positive value, therefore p is equal to 6 only. That's all. This is the answer.